Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get this blue look. This is going to be the first in the series. It's going to be a color series. So today I just use all blues, and then I'm going to keep doing just different colors like that. So this is just a nice blue look, and I really liked it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Have fun watching this. Okay, so first we start off with the primer, and I just use my foundation. I just put a little bit on, I put it on my finger and rub it on my eye, and then to set that, I use a compact powder and I put it on. And I've already done that step because I already did, so I already have it on. So I just use that and the spongy to put it on. And then start with the, I took a flat brush, a big flat brush, and I took this color, the light blue, tap off the excess, and put it all over my lid. And then I go over that with the same brush. I go over that with a little bit of a darker blue, just a tad bit. I'm going to go that all over my lid again. Okay, now that that's on, I'm taking a crease brush, just like this, and I'm putting that in this darker blue right here. And I tap off the excess, and then do that right in the crease. And then make a little wing with it. That's going to be a really harsh line at first. Then you take a blending brush and you just blend, blend, blend. And then with the flat brush again, we're going to take this shimmery teal color. That's going to go on the lid. Once again, I want to take the blending brush and just blend the colors together. Okay, and then for the bottom waterline, I'm going to take that same teal and just place it right under the waterline. And this is just with a very small flat brush. Like these are the two, like it's very small. And then I'm going to use this. It is a Bright Light Shadow Sticks from Avon. You can get this online. You can just follow the link that's going to be below. And I just rub it right here. And then on top of that, that'd be my brother.
Oh.
I'm doing video. I just take a white shadow. Doesn't matter what white. I just use this. I put it on top. Okay, next we're going to take an eyeliner. This is my dual-sided one from Avon. This is turquoise on one side and then black on the other. I'm just taking the black end and doing the waterline. And then for my top liner, I'm taking just a liner brush and my liner in a jar, and I'm just dipping it in, wiping off the excess. I'm lining my eyes. Okay. And now I'm going to, well actually I already have mascara on because I forgot to take it off before doing this. So, normally you just do a layer of mascara, and I just did a One Extend mascara. I'll just do a real quick coat, and then you can either leave it like that, or I'm going to add false lashes like I have on the other eye. So I'm going to do that real quick.